Hi everyone, this is part 2. We're going to find the sum using the formulas for the sums of powers of integers. And these are the 3 problems we're going to do. And we're going to get started with the first one. So the first one is the sum of n4. And we want to start with n equals 1 and go all the way to 5. So we're going to have 5 terms. And so you need to know your sum formula for n to the 4th, which is, if you look at it, it's going to be like 1 to the 4th, plus 2 to the 4th, plus 3 to the 4th, all the way to 5 to the 4th. But the general formula is n to the 4th, which equals n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 times, I'm going to squeeze this in, 3n squared plus 3n minus 1 all over 30. So basically, since my n equals 5, I'm just going to use this formula and plug in 5. So you're going to get 5 times 5 plus 1 times 2 times 5 plus 1 times a little long formula. So times 3 times 5 squared plus 3 times 5 minus 1 all over 30. And basically, this is going to be 5 times 6 times 11. And this is going to be 25 times 3 is 75, plus 15 minus 1 all over 30. Now these two will cancel because that's 30. So this is going to be 11 times 90 minus 1 is 89. And that equals 979. I like to clean it up before I use the calculator. And that's our answer. Okay, the next one is going to be n to the 5th power. So it's going to be n to the 5th. We're going from 1 to 8. And if you use the formulas for the 5th, that's going to be 1 to the 5th plus 2 to the 5th plus 3 to the 5th plus dot 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 n to the 5th. And this equals n squared times 1 plus n plus 1 squared times 2n squared plus 2n minus 1 all over 12. Since my total number is going to be 8, I'm going to just plug in 8. So 8 plus 1 squared times 2 times 8 squared plus 2 times 8 minus 1 all over 12. So this is going to be 64 times 81. And this inside of here is going to be 64 times 2, which is 128. Plus 16 minus 1 is 15. And this is all over 12. And when you calculate all this out, you're going to get 61,776. Okay. And the last one we had is sum of n squared minus n. And we're going from n equals 1 to 6. So we have 6 terms. And what I'm going to do is break this up of n squared, and then I'm going to minus the same thing. So I'm going to use two different formulas. Okay, so the formula for the n squared is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 all over 6. And the formula for n is just n times n plus 1 over 2. Okay, I have a total of 6 terms, so I just plug in 6 everywhere. And I'm going to get 6 times 7. And 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. All over 6 minus 6 times 7 over 2. These 6 cancel here, and you get 7 times 13. And this is going to be, goes into 3 times, so you get 7 times 13 minus 21, and this is going to be 91 minus 21, which equals 70. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.